Welcome to the vlog. We're going to call it 2-Minute Tuesdays. We're basically going to stay under that 2-minute mark. I got the clock running. We're at 7 seconds right now. Basically, we're going to talk about things that interest us. Photography, life, nutrition, health, working out, tech. What I want to talk about this week is the iPhone. I happen to have the iPhone 8 Plus, but one of the really cool features I have used over and over and over again on my iPhone is called text replacement. I don't know if you've ever used this, but basically, if you have predictive text, you kind of use it when you're typing and something pops up and you're like, oh yeah, that's what I meant to say. Predictive text is kind of like that, except you get to tell it what you want it to say always. So you're going to go into your settings here under General. You're going to click Keyboard, which is right here. Shunk, Keyboard. And then you're going to see this button, second one down, that says Text Replacement. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll see I have a whole bunch of them. And what text replacement does is as you are typing in, so let's say your text, I want to tell somebody where I live or where my office is. One of my text replacements is Offwelk, Offwelc. And what that replaces with is welcome to my new office space. It is located at XXX. Here's my address. Here's where to park. And all that is said automatically. So what I use it for is anything that I say repetitively. I tell people where my address is for my office. If I have to tell people where my address is for my house. One of the weird things about our house is our driveway is actually between our neighbors' houses. So that's all texted out, and I save it under text replacement. So I'll pull one up so you can see it. So this is, what is this one? This is, oh yeah, so this is our house address. HOADD. If I type that into any text conversation I'm using, it pops that whole thing up. Hopefully that's helpful for you. I'd do another little tutorial about how to use that, but that's our 2 minutes, 2-Minute Tuesdays. Hope you guys check back. We're going to try to keep it light, keep it easy. If you got something you'd like to talk about in these 2 minutes, shoot me a message. Music by Jack Garrett.